Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, and traction control.